What is going on, guys? So are you looking for a working method on how to get free Microsoft rewards points? Well, I know I was searching for hours this morning trying to find Microsoft rewards promo codes that are worth using and that are actually going to get you some free points. And I managed to find one that's going to credit your Microsoft rewards account 100,000 free points. And it is super easy. So that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So make sure you follow all of these steps. So let's go ahead and get into it. You need to use your mobile phone for this. So I was looking for this method on my laptop, but you do need to do it on your mobile phone. And you've got to head on over to this website, guys. So just type this into your internet, www.speedycoupons.com. Now, this is an awesome website, so just make sure you navigate your way to this website correctly. And essentially, guys, they have probably 100 plus pages. So you can either scroll down and look for the free Microsoft Rewards points page, or you can go to the search bar and just type in Microsoft. And it should pop up, free Microsoft Rewards points, get 100,000. Let's click on that. So this is highly rated, guys, and these are coupon codes that you can redeem within the Microsoft Rewards platform, and it's going to give you the corresponding reward. So these are limited codes, so you need to basically go ahead and click on show code for the free Microsoft Rewards points, and you can see this is going to give you 100,000 free points. Now, you need to unlock your code because you can see these codes are protected to stop people from stealing them. Basically, as you can imagine, 100,000 points is quite desirable. So to unlock your code, you're going to press this button. Now, I've already done this and these codes are limited in number, so I'm not going to do it again. I want to save them. So let's cancel out of that. But basically, guys, you're going to see a new screen and it will tell you how to unlock your code. You need to just verify yourself as a real person and complete a couple of these simple tasks. And once you've done that, your code will be fully revealed and you can go ahead, redeem it on the website, and you're going to have 100,000 free points in your account, and yeah, you can go ahead and do whatever you want with them. So head on over to speedycoupons.com and search for the Microsoft Rewards points page, and that is going to save you a ton of time, guys. Like I said, I spent hours and I tried all of these different methods, and this was the only way that actually worked. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.